Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to do a Thrive Themes tutorial by taking a quick look at Thrive Quiz Builder. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, be sure to hit the subscribe button or ring the bell for notification of future videos. Check the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step strategy that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus is on Thrive Themes and Thrive Quiz Builder. So if you didn't know about Thrive Quiz Builder, here is the sales page. And you can just see here, quickly the headline is, Quizzes Aren't Just for Silly Fun. Discover how we've turned the powerful, engaging quiz into a potent way to grow your business. And what they're talking about here is lead generation. So let me show you a quiz in action. So this is a site that I have called Health Nuts. And as you can see right here, I have a quiz. Is your body out of whack? You need to find balance. Take this quiz to start to find a balance now. And you simply click on the Start Quiz button. And it loads up a quiz with some questions. Are you male or female? I am male. Are you very easily fatigued? No. Do you have premature ejaculation? No. Is urination difficult or do you dribble? Can't stop completely? No. Have you experienced or experienced prostate trouble? No. Do you often wake up during the night to urinate? No. As you can see, you can answer these. Do you have leg pain on the inside of your legs or heels? Maybe that is a yes. Do you have feelings of incomplete bowel evacuation or not emptying fully? Maybe that's a no. Do you have problems sleeping? They'll say no. Do you run out of energy? Yes. Do you have difficulty falling asleep or maintaining sleep throughout the night? No. Have you felt depressed for 3 months or longer? No. Do you have or desire sex less than 2 times each month? We'll say no. And as you can see here, it is thinking about it in the background. And of course, you may have noticed the formatting on this site. It's a little out of whack, which is something I need to work with the embedding of the quiz. It's not the fault of the plugin, it's the fault of my design. But anyway, you can see here the job has ended. Great job. Be the first to know about the new quizzes. And look at here, first name, email, password, and confirm password, submit, and go to the results. So what you have here is, now that someone has finished the quiz, you have the ability to capture their first name, email, and also for them to set up an account here on the site. Or you can just skip this step. So we'll just say we'll skip this step, and then you can see right here that people are able to get their results even though they didn't opt into your list. And when the results loaded here, you can see that I have this quiz set up to give a result in the format of a score. Again, ignore this formatting. This is an issue with the design, not the plugin itself. And a score of 2, if your score is 6 or more, then your body is out of whack. Get started today with Health Nuts U, which is another component of this site. But we won't talk about that today. We're focused on the quiz builder. If your score is below 6, then congratulations. Register for your free membership today. Find balance, register for free membership, and get started with Health Nuts U. Register. And as you can see right here, that takes them to a registration page. And again, what we're doing here is we're doing lead generation. So they skipped it on the front end, but they still got their results of their quiz. And now if they want to move further, they have to register on the site. And of course here, there's some more information how you can register with the site. But that is the plugin in action, the quiz builder. So that's the front end. That's what it looks like to your audience or your prospective prospects. So let me show you what it looks like on the back end where you actually set it up. So of course you would log into WordPress, and then you would go down to Thrive Dashboard. And once you're in Thrive Dashboard, you would go to Thrive Quiz Builder. And as you can see here, that would load up the Quiz Builder dashboard. And you would have the ability to add a new quiz, or as you can see here, there's quizzes I already have in place. And this one here is your body out of whack. If you hit the little pencil right here, you can see you can edit the title. You can see here, it's set up as a numeric quiz. There are different types of quizzes you can set up. I'm not going to go into that depth or detail in this introduction. This is just to introduce you to the plugin in case you weren't aware. But you can see right here, you click on this button and you can edit the quiz. Of course, that will load up, and then you can see here that you have ability to edit the quiz. You have your quiz settings here. Here you have your layout. Here you have your social badge set up. Like I said, ignore the formatting. These are just the options. And as you can see here, you can see the quiz structure, the splash page, 25 questions, opt-in gate, which gives you the ability to, again, capture leads, and then a results page. All right. So again, you click on this. If you wanted to, you could click on this and see the quiz settings. And you can see here, these are some simple settings that you can change. Display feedback. That's going to be the way that the quiz buttons look as you proceed through the quiz. You have your quiz style here where you can change the style. You can see here different options, dark quiz, some preloaded formats, just like if you're in Thrive Architect. Just like everything in Thrive, they have nice preloaded quiz styles, templates for you to choose from. Here you can see social badge. And again, you have, this is fully editable. As I said, ignore the formatting. That's on me, not on the quiz builder itself. And of course, we'll back out of that. And here is the quiz structure. And of course, you can manage each one of these. As you can see here, it gives you statistics, so you can see page impressions and conversions. Of course, the conversions and page impressions on this are really low because this is not something that I actively promote, or it's not a niche that I have actively pursued. It's something I thought I was going to try, but found that, as sometimes happen, it's a niche that I really don't have any interest in. So it sort of just, the site just sort of sits here dormant, but it does have the quiz that I built and loaded. So I figured I would use that for the demo. And of course, once that loads, again, you have the full ability to edit right here. It's basically the page builder, just like you have access to inside of Thrive Architect. And of course, I'll go ahead and leave a card here for a Thrive Architect video, and there'll be a link in the description for more information about Thrive Architect, and you can check that out as well. We'll go ahead and we'll go back to the Thrive quiz, or the Thrive dashboard and the Thrive quiz builder. And here we are on the Thrive quiz builder dashboard again. And as you can see, we have our quizzes here, or of course you could add a new one by clicking the add new button. And you can see here that you have the ability to choose a template, build from scratch, a list building, or social share, 2 different options. And of course, again, this is just an intro to the plugin, so I'll leave these options for another video. And with that, I'll leave you with Thrive Quiz Builder. Check it out. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Do you think Thrive Quiz Builder and quizzes in general are a good idea for lead generation? Give me a yes or a no in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Of course, don't forget to check the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step strategy to build your own online business starting today. And with that, check out the 30-minute timer here, subscribe to the channel, and more awesome videos here on the end screen. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.